Ever wondered what might happen if you put a tea bag in your garden? Is there any benefit to it? Well, you might get surprised after seeing the result. If you drink tea regularly, you probably go through a lot of tea bag. Wouldn't it be nice if there was something useful you could do with all those tea bags rather than just throwing them out? Join us as we're uncovering 12 incredible ways to put those tea bags to work, starting with a surprising solution for dark circles under your eyes. Number 12. Remove dark circles under the eyes. Tea bags can be used to treat dark circles under the eyes. The caffeine in the tea leaves will help reduce the inflammation and swelling that causes dark circles. Soak a tea bag in cold water for a few minutes, then apply it to the under eye area. You can repeat this process as often as needed. Number 11. Revive your clothes. If you want to give your clothes a new twist, use tea bags. You can reuse your tea bags to dye your clothes without interacting with chemicals. You just need to follow a few simple steps. Put the used tea bags in a big bucket or a huge pan and add water. Let the tea bag sit in there for some time till you see your desired color. Then drown the clothes that you wish to dye in the tea-infused water all night and let the rest work out itself. Next morning, you need to simply rinse the piece of cloth with cold water or vinegar, and you will get a light mousse brown shade. Number 10. Exfoliates your skin. An antioxidant scrub, which will leave your skin glowing. This is amazing for those who have dull skin, and even helps fight acne. All you need to do is set aside your used green tea bags and let them dry. Then, on a cleanse face, use these with a little water and scrub away. Your skin will be glowing and healthy, and the bacteria-fighting catechins in it will also reduce acne. A lot better than using jagged walnut shells to scrub your skin with, isn't it? Number 9. Steam your pores. You can use a couple of old tea bags to do an at-home facial steam treatment. Place the tea bags into a bowl of hot, steamy water. Lean over the bowl for 5 to 10 minutes and let the steam work its magic. The steam will open your pores, allowing the antioxidants from the tea to tone and hydrate your skin. Number 8. Shine wood surfaces. Used tea bags make a great polish for hardwood floors and wood furniture because the tannins in black tea bring out the natural shine of wood. Swipe a few used tea bags over wood surfaces and then buff with a cloth to achieve a rich shine. It's important to note that the tea bags should be damp, but not soaking wet to avoid damaging the wood. Number 7. Restore shine to your hair. You can use tea to make your hair shiny and smooth. Use a couple of used tea bags to brew a strong tea, then allow the tea to cool completely. Before a shower, pour the tea into your hair until it's completely saturated. Allow the tea to sit for about 10 minutes, then hop in the shower. Shampoo and condition your hair as normal. Your hair will thank you the tea treatment. Number 6. Tea bag. As facial mask. Tea bags can also be used as facial masks. The tea leaves will help to tighten the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Reuse them as an exfoliant. The tea leaves can be used to exfoliate the skin. This is a great way to get rid of dead skin cells and to keep the skin looking young and healthy. Number 5. To treat bug bites. Tea bags can be double as a handy cooling compress for bug bites, bee stings, and skin irritations like poison ivy or poison oak. Take a used tea bag, run it under cool water, wring out excess moisture, and then gently apply it to the affected area. This will effectively reduce inflammation, and the cooling sensation will provide soothing relief. Number 4. Clean mirrors and glass. Tired of streaks on your mirrors and glass? Dampen a used tea bag and use it to wipe surfaces clean. The tannins in tea help remove smudges and leave your glass sparkling. Number 3. Compost booster. If you're into gardening or composting, don't toss those used tea leaves. They're a fantastic addition to your compost pile, enriching it with nutrients. Tea bags are made of paper or fabric, both of which are compostable materials. They also contain organic matter, such as tea leaves, which will break down and add nutrients to your compost. Tea bags can also be used as a mulch around plants. This will help to retain moisture in the soil and suppress weeds. Number 2. Soothing sunburn. To treat a sunburn with tea bags, soak a bag in tepid water for a couple of minutes until the water changes color. Remove the tea bag and apply it to the sunburn. You may not feel any changes right away, but as long as the tea bags aren't causing irritation, you can keep them on your skin for several minutes. Number 1. Absorb unwanted smells. Tea bags are the best solution to removing odors. You can place some tea bags in your freezer to remove the smell of freezing meat. Or you can also store the bags in your fridge if you keep meals planned for weeks. It also helps in keeping the food in there fresh. You can say goodbye to expensive room fresheners, as you can store a couple of tea bags in your room or at the entrance of your house to make it smell fresh. One more advantage is that you can use tea bags as carpet deodorizers too. Sprinkle tea from the tea bags on your rugs and carpets to ward off the smell. You can slip 1 or 2 tea bags into your shoes to get rid of the smell. That's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and don't forget to watch more of our popular videos as well. Until the next video, goodbye.